everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm still going to do a Halloween makeup look, but this is going to be a simple one lang. Like for example, you want to create a Halloween makeup look using one lipstick only. Well then, let's see kung achievable ba siya. And I know that this is going to be fun because I also don't know what the outcome will be. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell beside it so you will be notified on my next video. Let's begin!
I was hanging with you and then I realized I didn't think it was true. I was surprised when I found out I'd fallen for you.
I already did my brows and eyeliner because I went out today to buy some groceries. You know what? It's so therapeutic to do your own groceries. Like, yay! Food. Okay, so let's start. I'm gonna use this Sunny's Face lipstick in the shade Major. I already used this on my previous Halloween makeup video, so if you haven't watched it yet, go watch it after this video. Okay, I'm gonna put this on the lids of my eyes. So awkward to do this because I already have my eyeliner. But it's alright, it's a Halloween makeup look, it doesn't need to be perfect. And then I'm gonna draw something over here. Like, yung parang clown, guys. The clownery. Okay, let me try. I'm not an artist, okay? Malagsungay. I don't know what I'm doing in my life. Okay guys, don't mind the colors here kasi medyo na-fail yung first attempt ko na paglagay ng lipstick on my forehead. Now I'm gonna do it again. But I'm cautious na this time. I don't know how to create demon horns, okay? Like eagle horns. I'm just doing some triangles on my forehead. I don't know if this is okay, but Before I finish my look, lalagyan ko muna ng contour yung nose ko. Hey guys, I'm back. I think this is the final messy look using one lipstick only if you want to hurriedly do your Halloween makeup look and then wala kayong choice but to draw some little horns on your forehead na I cannot do perfectly, pero siguro if matry nyo, you can do perfect triangles above your kilay. So just finish it off using some eyeliner. Like, nag-draw lang ako, guys. So, ito siya. If you like this look, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what are the other videos that you would like to see next year on my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell beside it so you won't miss any of my new videos. This has been Yamyam saying goodbye and see you next time. Bye!